So we'll start. Page number 59, state level exercises. Page number 59, state level exercises. In that, start with question number 1. Start. Before that, tell me, how was this Sunday's exam for Electrostatics? To just reply, let me know how was it. Good, bad, okay. Good. All the GEE questions itself, some of them are from the module, some of them from outside. Okay, now we'll go to state level exercises. State level exercises I'm doing right now. Yes. State level exercises we are doing right now because for the JEE exercises, this will give us a good platform to solve. And secondly, your MHT-CET also will be done simultaneously. Okay, these are the MHT-CET kind of questions. Okay? So we'll try to target maximum questions. Start with the first one. In the figure, the charge Q is at the center of the circle. Work done is maximum when another charge is taken from a point P to which point? And also give me the reason if you know. Correct. There are some points which are on the circumference of the circle. There is only one point which is not on the circumference. So correct, Rahul, if I use the formula force into displacement, that is work done. Can I say the only point, for example, which is like the odd one or which is not on the circumference, which is outside the system, is point K. Therefore, answer becomes A. Tell me, are you getting this answer? Answer A. Now look at the system. L, M, N are all on the circumference of the circle. Can I say point K is outside? Now, if I use the formula force into displacement, or if I consider force which is outside the system, therefore work done will be maximum when I take it to point K. Most of you have answered the question, have answered it correctly. Answer is K. And even by looking at symmetry, not always, but you can say that K is the odd one out as well, correct? Because all others are on the circumference or all others are a part of the system. So answer for the first one is A. That is point K. Got it, all of you? Okay. Go to the second one. Second one, you have to solve and get the answer. I'll tell you the logic, but before that, tell me if you can manage it. Little bit of solving is required. Start. Page number 59, question 2. Page number 59, question 2. Now listen to me. I'll explain the logic and I will do it also on the screen. I want all of you to understand what I am doing. Okay. So let us start with the question. I think my screen sharing has stopped again, right?
Yes, sir.
Four identical charges of 50 microcoulomb each are placed, one at each corner of a square of side 2 meters. So now let me take a square. Everyone please look at the screen. let me take a square and side is 2 meters. 4 identical charges of 50 microcoulomb. So 4 identical charges of 50 microcoulomb are placed. 4 identical charges of 50 microcoulomb are placed. How much external energy is required? External energy means work done. External energy means work done to bring another charge of 50 microcoulomb from infinity to the center of the square. Means I want to bring one more charge from infinity to the center of the square. Now, look at this. Total work done, W is equal to Q into V. Do you know this formula? Total work done is equal to Q into V. From our few table, can I say the total work done will be Q into V? Now, the total work done, have they given the value of charge that has to travel from infinity? Yes. What is the value? 50 microcoulomb. 50 microcoulomb means 50 into 10 power minus 6 coulomb. Now, what is the potential at the center of a square? This is the thing we need to find out. Now, please look at this. Potential at the center of a square is potential at the center because of this point A, this point B, this point C, this point D. Okay. Now, tell me, what is the potential at the center due to point A? Can I say it will be the same as potential at the center due to point B? It will be the same as potential at the center due to point C, and it will be the same as point D. Now, tell me what is the distance from, if this is the center O, tell me what is the length of AO? Can anyone tell me what is the length of AO?
Root 2.
Root 2 by 2.
This is 2. This is 2. Can I say this whole side will be how much?
Root 2.
2 root 2.
Root 2.
2 root 2.
This whole side will be 2 root 2. Correct. This whole side will be root 2 into side, diagonal of a square. But now I want only half the length. Now I want only half the length. Therefore, can I say I have to divide this also by 2? Therefore, can I say 2 and 2 will cancel? Therefore, can I say this distance is root 2, this distance is root 2. Each distance, can I say, is root 2? Tell me yes or no. Now,
Yes.
can you tell me total potential at the center? Once look at the screen. Now, can I say total potential at the center is potential due to point A plus potential due to point B plus potential due to point C plus potential due to point D, because that is the 4 points which are contributing to the center. Or can I write potential at the center is 4 times potential of point A? Think about it. And as a potential at the center is 4 times potential at point A, because point B, point C, and point D will be the same because the distance is the same and the charge is the same. Now, my question is, can you find out what is potential at point A? Means potential because of point A at the center. Can you find out what is potential at point A? Potential at center due to point A. What is the general formula for potential? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R, correct? Therefore, can I say, look at the screen, potential at the center because of point A will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. Therefore, can I say potential at center due to point A is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Charge is 50 microcoulomb. And can I say the distance is root 2? All of you agree with this? Can I say the distance is root 2? But can I say now my question is I have to do into 4? Can I say I have to do this thing into 4? Because it is 4 times potential at the center due to point A. Therefore, tell me, what is the total work done? Total work done is charge into total potential. Please look at the screen now. What is the charge? Can I say the total charge is 50 into 10 power minus 6 into what is the total potential at the center? Total potential at the center is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 50 into 10 power minus 6 upon root 2 into 4. Now solve this and tell me whether you're getting the answer. Please once look at the screen again. This is my charge Q, which is given in the question. This is the total potential at the center, which I got using the potential formula. This is the total potential at the center I got using the potential formula. Now tell me what is the formula for. Therefore, it will become 50 into 10 power minus 6 into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 power 9 into 50 into 10 power minus 6 into 4 divided by root 2. This is the now solve and tell me how much I get. W is equal to 50 into 9 into 50 into 4. Correct? What did I do? I kept all the numbers on one side. 50 into 9 into 50 into 4 into, tell me, 10 power minus 6 is 10 power minus 12. 10 power minus 12 and 10 power 9 will become 10 power minus 3. 10 power minus 12 and 10 power 9 will become 10 power minus 3 divided by root 2. Continue.
90 upon root 2.
I have seen your answer. It is correct. 50 into 50. Can I write 50 as 5 into 5 into 10 square into 9 into 4 into 10 power minus 3 divided by root 2. Correct? Continue. How much do you think you will get? Yeah, almost 64. That is correct. Therefore, work done is equal to 5 into 5 into 9 into 4 into minus 1 divided by root 2. Or work done is 25 into 36 divided by 14. Why 14? Because root 2 is 1.4, and if I take 10 down, it will become into 10. Correct? So think what should be the almost answer? 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Correct? 7 1s are 7, 7 14 21. Almost 4s are 18 into 4. Almost. Tell me what should be the answer. $64 joule. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, this becomes a lengthy question, but it's good to know a lengthy question because you are supposed to know the logic. Logic means I am supposed to find work done, which is same as energy. That is nothing but charge into potential. Now, potential at the center, I should know that potential at the center is potential because of this, plus this, plus this, and plus this. And all will be the same because the distance is same and the charge is same. Therefore, I can say 4 into V. Therefore, first I should get the potential at the center. That is my first step. Then I should multiply it with the charge which is to be transported from infinity. This becomes the main formula, and the potential formula, this becomes the secondary formula, V equal to 1 by 4 pi. Then when you solve, you will get the answer. So the calculation is secondary. You should know the logic, you should know which formula should be applied, and you should know what should be substituted. Is it clear? Can I say first question and second question everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, third question, take it as your homework 1. Start with fourth question. Third question, take it as your homework 1. Start with question number 4, page number 59. Page number 59, question number 4. Start. Page number 59, question number 4.
Sir, I have sent you.
Me too, sir. Yes, sir.
Let us start. Okay, people have sent very good. I'll wait for all of you to reply. A charge of 5 coulomb means charge is 5 coulomb, experiences a force of 5,000 Newton when it is kept in a uniform electric field. What is the potential difference between the 2 points when it is separated by a distance of 1 centimeter? 1 centimeter is 10 power minus 2 meter. And what is the potential difference? Now, potential difference means what you need to find. FEWV from our few table. Tell me, what do we need to find? We need to find V. If you're confused, then you see the options. What are the options given in? Options are given in bold. Now, V. I have to find V. This is the clue. Start. I've got answers from 11 people. I want answers from at least 4 more so that I can start with the answers. It is direct from our few table itself. Start. Okay, good. One more person and then I'll start. Okay, Sakshi. So now they have given force. Now I know the formula for force F is equal to QE. This is from our few table. Now F is equal to Q. E is equal to V by D. Correct? Because V is equal to ED. Again from our table, or F is V is equal to ER. Or E is equal to V by R. D and R is the same, distance and R. What I want in this case, I want to find V. Therefore, V is equal to FD divided by Q. V on one side, I get FD divided by Q. Now, what is F? 5,000. What is the distance? 10 power minus 2. And what is the charge? 5. So when I say 5 and 5 will cancel. 10 power 3 and 10 power minus 2 is 10 power 1. Therefore, 10 power 1 is 10. Therefore, I get V equal to 10 volt, which is answer A. Tell me, are you getting it, all of you? Which is answer A. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Start with question number 6. Start with question number 6. Page 59. Aniket, send me over WhatsApp that thing, not over email. Make a compressed file and send it over WhatsApp so that I can
Okay,
send it
sir.
over. Anyone got the answer for the sixth one? Malhar, correct. Good. Sharwari, try again. Yash, try again. Shayan, correct. I'll start with the basics. Let's see whether you get it. Equal charges Q are placed at the vertices A and B of an equilateral triangle ABC of side A. Now I'll take an equilateral triangle ABC. I'll take an equilateral triangle ABC and which is having a side A. I'll take an equilateral triangle ABC which is having a side A. And equal charges Q are placed at vertices A and B of an equilateral triangle. That means at vertex A, there is a charge Q, and at vertex B also there is a charge Q. Understanding all of you? What I should find is the magnitude of electric field at point C. Magnitude of electric field at point C. Now see here, magnitude of electric field at point C is magnitude of electric field at point A also and magnetic field at B also. But since they're coming at an angle, look at the screen, the total total electric field at C, since it is not a direct angle, I will take the resultant. Look at this. It will be electric field at A square plus electric field at B square plus 2 EAEB cos theta. Tell me how many of you are aware of this formula for vector resultant at a point? How many of you are aware
Yes,
of
sir.
this vector
Yes.
resultant at a
Yes,
point?
sir.
Yes, yes.
So A goes here, B goes here, my resultant C will come here. Now, electric field at A, what is the formula for electric field? Just think. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square, correct? Think. What is the formula for electric field at A?
Yes,
1
sir.
by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square, correct? Therefore, can I say electric field at A will be the same as electric field at B? Whatever formula, both will be the same. Tell me whether you can understand that. Whatever is the electric field at A, the same thing will be electric field at B because the charge is same and the distance is same. If charge is same and the distance is same, can I say electric field also will be the same? Therefore, in my formula for resultant electric field at C, instead of EB, I will take it as EA itself. Because can I say electric field at B is same as electric field at A? If I do that, tell me what will be the result. It will become EA square plus EA square plus 2EA into EA into cos 60. Why did I write 60? Because it's an equilateral triangle. Check the question. Why did I write 60? Because it is an equilateral triangle. Therefore, the resultant electric field at C will be square root of EA square plus EA square will be 2 into EA square plus 2 into EA square, because 2 into EA is 2 into EA square. Cos 60 will be nothing but half. Therefore, can I say 2 and 2 will cancel? Tell me what are you left with finally? Okay, this is the beginning. Tell me what are you left with?
CEA square.
Correct. You are left with EC, that is electric field at point C, is equal to square root of 2EA square plus EA square. Therefore, electric field at point C will be square root of 3EA square. Therefore, electric field at point C will be square root of 3 into EA, because square root of EA square is nothing but EA. Square root of EA square is nothing but EA. Therefore, can I say EC is equal to root 3? Now look at the options. EA. What is electric field at A? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. What is the formula? What is the formula? Q divided by distance square. So can I say it is Q divided by A square? Therefore, tell me which answer matches this. It will
C.
become root 3Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught A square. Therefore, can I say option C matches the answer? Understood what I did on the screen? I think 4 people gave me the right answer first. The first one was Malhar. Very good, Malhar. I hope you have used the same logic and got the answer. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Others also gave me the right answer. Again, I'll give you some time. Look at the question. Try to understand. You should know why EA is equal to EB, number 1. You should know the formula for resultant. And you should know why did I put theta equal to 60? Because it's an equilateral triangle. You should know all this data. Only then you will get this answer. Nothing tough. But many times students get it wrong. Easy. Can you try it once? I'll give you 1 more minute. Any doubt in this question? Let me know. Start. Two equal charges Q are placed at a distance 2a. So two equal charges, one is Q and the other charge is also Q, are placed at a distance 2a. And a third charge minus 2Q is placed at the midpoint. That means this distance will be A, even this distance will be A, because 2A midpoint will be A and A. The potential energy of the system or the work done in the system will be, so if this is 0.1, if this is 0.2, if this is 0.3, they are asking the potential energy, that means work done. Therefore, the total work done in the system will be work done between 1 and 2 plus work done between 1 and 3 plus work done between 2 and 3. This is the clue. This is the clue. Now start using the formula and tell me what answer you get. I have given you the system, means I have shown the diagram of the system. I have given you the resultant work done, that is your potential energy. Now tell me what answer do you get for this? Correct, Aniket, very good. Malhar, correct, very good. Shayan, correct, good. Devansh, correct, very good. Siddhant, correct. Sumitra, correct. Sharp, very correct. That's correct. Now look at the screen. Let me start. Now, what is the formula for work done? It is FEWV, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R. Correct? Can I say that is the formula? Work done formula is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R. Therefore, work done formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught charge 1 into charge 2, that is Q into minus 2Q by A. Correct? First, plus W13, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q into Q by 2A, because distance between 1 and 3 is 2A, plus W23, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus 2Q into Q, charge 2 into charge 3 by A. This is the next step. So people have not got the answer. Take this as a clue and tell what will you get as the next one. So I can say work done will be, can I say 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught? For now, I'll keep it outside. Actually, I can take Q square and A also outside. But for now, I'll keep 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught outside so that everyone can understand what happens inside. So this is outside. So Q into minus 2Q will be minus 2Q square by A plus Q into Q will be Q square by 2A, and minus 2Q and Q will be again minus 2Q square by A. This is the next clue. So I've taken 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught outside. Inside I've got these three terms. Okay, continue all of you. Most of you have given me the right answer. People have given me the wrong answer. Also have started giving me the right answer. Correct, Siddesh. Now W is equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught as it is. Q square by A also I can take it outside. Q square by A also I can take it outside. Therefore, inside I will have minus 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 2. Therefore, W is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q square by A. It is minus 4 plus half inside the bracket. Or W is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q square by A into minus 8 plus 1 will be minus 7 by 2. Minus 8 plus 1 will be minus 7 by 2. Therefore, W is equal to, tell me, which option matches? See the numerator.
C.
Numerator will be minus 7Q square. Denominator is 4 into 2. I have 8 pi epsilon naught A. Therefore, answer C matches. Everyone getting it? I have shown you step by step. You can skip 2 to 3 steps and get the final step. I have shown you first 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught outside, then something else outside. You can directly take everything at once and get the answer. Is it clear? Okay, question number 8, take it as your homework too. Start with question number 9. Start with question number 9. Start with question number 9, page 59. It's a direct question. Please try to solve it. Question number 9, page number 59. Okay. Equal charges are given to two spheres of different radii potential. What is the formula for potential actually? It is FEWV. It is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R, correct? Now they are saying equal charges are given. So charge is same. So who will have more potential? So can I say smaller the distance, greater the potential, because
Yes.
potential is inversely proportional to R. Therefore, the potential will be, can I say more on the smaller sphere because radius is less. Therefore, can I say option A should be the answer because it should be more on the smaller sphere. Therefore, V inversely proportional to R. If I use that, answer A will be the right answer. Which formula did I use again? The basic formula from our few table I have used. And again, I got a clue that the charge is constant. Therefore, everything becomes a constant here. Okay. Question number 10. Start. Devansh, correct. Others try to answer. So an alpha particle. Now, for people who are wondering what is the charge of an alpha particle, charge of an alpha particle is 2 into types of electron. Charge of an alpha particle is 2 into the charge of an electron. An alpha particle is accelerated through a potential difference of 10 power 6 volt. What is the kinetic energy? Kinetic energy means work done. Now, work done, please look at it. Work done will be W is equal to VQ or QV. Tell me, do you know this formula? Work done is equal to QV. Tell me, everyone, yes or no?
Yes.
Again, from our few table. Or can I say charge of an alpha particle is 2 times the charge of an electron into what is the volt given? 10 power 6. But this will be in joule because work done SI unit is joule. But now if you look at the options, options are in electron volt. Now to convert joule into electron volt, I have to divide this by charge of an electron. Then my answer will be in electron volt divided by 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Therefore, answer of joule, if I divide by charge of an electron, I get my answer in electron volt. Therefore, can I say electron and electron will cancel? Therefore, it will be 2 into 10 power 6 electron volt, or work done will be 2 mega electron volt. 10 power 6 is mega. Therefore, can I say option will be B then? Can I say option will be B? Are you getting it, all of you? Therefore, can I say question number 11?
Yes.
Sorry, question number 10, answer will be B. So the main thing you should know, the charge of alpha particle is 2 times the charge of an electron. Now, question number 11, start. Question number 11. Start. Correct, sorry. Good. All of you start giving me the answer for question number 11. A charge of 5 coulomb is given a displacement of 0.5 meter. The work done in the process is 10 joule. The potential difference between the points will be. Potential difference between the points will be. I think one data is a dummy data. You don't need to use it if you know the right formula.
Sir, I've sent.
So can I say W is equal to VQ or V is equal to W by Q? W is 10, Q is 5, 10 by 5 is 2. Therefore, answer is 2 volt. Therefore, answer for the 11th one is option A. Where are you getting it? Answer for the 11th one is A. Yes? Okay, perfect. Start with question number 12. Start. The electric potential V is given as a function of a distance x, or V is given as 5x square plus 10x minus 9 volt. What is the value of electric field at x is equal to 1? Therefore, I know the formula E is equal to minus dV by dx. Remember last class we did many problems based on this. E is equal to minus dV by dx. Therefore, E is equal to minus d by dx of 5x square plus 10x minus 9, or E is equal to minus differentiation of 5x square will be 10x plus differentiation of 10x will be 10 minus 9 will be 0. Correct, Malhar?
Yes.
Good. Therefore, E is equal to minus 10 into x is given as 1 plus 10. Therefore, answer will be minus 10 minus 10. Therefore, answer will be minus 20. So, value of electric field at x equal to 1 is 20. Okay. Minus is not given in the option, but there is no option to complain that there is no option correct. So, answer is A. Otherwise, you have to select option E, none of the above. So we have to consider the magnitude in this case. But the exact answer would be minus 20. Is it clear? But we got the magnitude as 20. Okay, turn the page. Start with question number 13. Start with question number 13. Two metal pieces having potential difference V is equal to 800 volt are at a distance of 0.02 meter apart. A particle of mass 1.96 into 10 power minus 15 is suspended in equilibrium between the plates. And if E is the elementary charge, suspended in equilibrium means the downward force will be equal to the upward force. Downward force is mg, upward force will be QE. Now mg will be equal to Q. E is not given, but I know V equal to ED or E is equal to V by D. Did you understand this? Did you understand this? Correct? Now, can you proceed and tell me what is the charge on the plate? Start. What is the charge on the plate?
So G will be taking as 10, right?
You can take GS10, yeah. They have not given 9.8, so you can take GS10. Actually, it's 9.8 for exact substitution, but you can take it as 10. You will get approximately the same answer. And you can substitute one more thing. You can substitute Q equal to NE. Therefore, you will get E on one side. What is Q equal to NE? You will get E on one side and then you can continue. So tell me what answer are you getting close to? Answer is 3E. Tell me if all of you are getting it. 3E. It is 3 times the factor. Aniket, correct. I think many people give me the answer. Yes, correct. Malhar, correct. Devansh, correct. Devansh, Malhar, Yash, Aniket, correct. Others, see what they are getting it. Siddhant, correct. Okay, Sharwari. Fourteenth one, your next homework. 1-4. 14th one is your next homework. Start with question number 15. Start with question number 15.
So did you say 14th is a homework?
Correct. My voice is coming low to everyone.
Yes, sir.
It's coming low or it's coming proper?
Proper.
Yes, proper.
Okay. 15th question. A particle of mass m is placed at rest in a uniform electric field E and then released. The kinetic energy attained by the particle. Kinetic energy means work energy, work done. Work done is what? Force into displacement. Now, force is QE and displacement is along distance y. Check the question is in the question itself, they have said the distance traveled is y. Therefore, answer is QEY. That's it, as simple as that. Therefore, answer will be C. Okay, and this question should look very familiar and similar. Okay, this question should look very similar because this question had come in the exam as well. Okay, and this knowledge is nothing new. Okay, it was direct substitution and knowledge. In fact, it's an oral question. Okay, question number 16 homework. Question number 17 start. I want the answer within 30 seconds. Question number 17 start. I'll get the power bank. Come on. Rahul, correct. Let me read the question. Two unlike charges of magnitude Q are separated by distance. What is the potential made? Answer is 0 because they are opposite. So whatever I get on one side, exactly the opposite I'll get on the other side. And when I combine them, both will cancel each other. Answer is 0. We have done a similar problem in the last class also, where there was a triangle and had to do a midpoint. Therefore, answer will be 0 just because of the word unlike. If the word was like, then the story would be different. Okay? Since it is unlike, they cancel each other. Now, give me the answer for question number 18. Give me the answer for question number 18. Give me the answer for question number 18. Shall we try again? Correct.
Sir, I thought the value of electron will change.
Achha. Devansh correct, Siddhant correct. People have given me the answer before this also correct. All of you try. Potential energy means work done. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2. Answer is direct. Tell me if you're getting it. Okay. Sakshi correct. Answer is direct. Tell me if you're getting it, all of you. Chitra, correct. They just Q. Q is not an option. A, correct. Are you getting option A, all of you? Direct formula and substitution.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Are you getting answer A? Okay. Now, try the 19th one. Little tricky. Try the 19th one. Little tricky. But I'll give you the clue. You have to know the formula. You should know the substitution also. So start. Okay. 19th one. Okay, start. An oil drop having charge, something is kept stationary between two parallel plates. Potential is applied. So it is kept stationary, means equilibrium, though this formula will come again. Check. Mg is equal to QE or Mg is equal to Q V by D. This formula will come again. They have given density also, they have given. Please look at the screen. For general formula for density. What is density? By what? Please look at the screen. Can I say the general formula for density is mass upon volume? Do you know this formula for density? Because density is given the question, but I need mass. Therefore, can I say mass be nothing but density into volume? Can I say mass can be nothing but density into volume? Therefore, can I say mass into G is equal to Q into V by D? Now, mass is density into volume. Now, can I say the volume of an oil drop will be like a sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube? Check. So can I say I will get 4 by 3 pi r cube rho into G is equal to Q into V by D. After this, it becomes pure substitution. But tell me, did you understand the first 3 steps? Which 3 steps which I have shown on the screen? Tell me, did you understand these 3? This is nothing new.
Yes.
This is also nothing
Yes,
new
sir.
because this we have done. The only thing is instead of mass, they have given us density. So I know the formula for density is mass upon volume. From there, mass is density into volume. Density is 4 by 3 pi r cube into rho. Rho is density. Then it becomes direct substitution question. So now I have to just substitute the values and get the answer. So tell me, are you getting it? What the answer? So the 19th one as B. Tell me. Now the numbers can change, the values here and there, but this logic, please make it a point. Okay. Even your first homework that I have given you is based on the same formula. Okay, that's the first formula. Okay. Now start with question number 21. Now start with question number 21. It's oral, but you can try. Devansh, just check once. Savi, okay, correct. The previous one correct, Savi. Aniket and Devansh, Devansh now correct. Aniket correct. Arpit, try again. Arpit, try again. Malhar correct. Divya correct. Siddhant correct. Sharvari, try again. Siddesh, yes. Peras correct. Okay. So can I say kinetic energy will be work done? Work done is nothing but QV, correct? Now Q is nothing but E because proton has a charge of E and voltage potential is given as how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? Tell me whether this much is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now, this answer, if I check the question, I will get this answer in electron volt. Energy will increase by proton is accelerated too. Answer is given in electron volt also. Answer is given in joule also. Answer is given in electron volt also. Answer is given in joule also. Now tell me, if I want to convert this answer into joule, tell me, I should multiply by what? What I should multiply it by? Can I say I should multiply it by 1.6 into 10 power minus 19? So what is 5 into 1.6? Think about it and tell me. Or 16 into 5, what do you get? 5 into 1.6.
8.2.
Got it? Now look at the options. Which options come close?
B.
Option B.
Option B, correct. In fact, 5 into 1.6, if I take, it is exactly 8. Then 10 power you have to adjust. Getting it, all of you? You should
Yes,
get
sir.
A as the wrong answer. Please make sure A is the wrong answer. A is the most common wrong answer. You should not fall into that trap of A. Start 20 seconds. Start 20 seconds. Start with question number 22. Again, a direct question. Solve it. Correct. Aniket, Savi, correct. Devansh, correct. Rudra, Yash, Sharvari, Malhar, correct. Others try to answer. Sakshi, Divya, Siddhant, Arpit, Peras, correct. Answer is C. Direct. Getting it? Answer C. Chitra, correct. Sakshi, correct. Okay. Start with 23rd. Start with 23rd. Quick. Start with 23rd. It's a direct question again. Try to get the answer for 23rd. force formula is QE. Therefore, force formula is Q into V by D. Again, I'm using the same logic. Same formula. Check. You have done this many times, this substitution. Start. Now tell me, what should be the answer for force? Correct, mother. Correct. Devansh, try again once. Twenty-third one. Tell me. Answer will be B. Are you getting it? Let me know. 23rd
Yes, sir.
one, answer will be B. Should I do it? Some of you are giving me the wrong answer. Check.
Yes, sir.
Should I do it?
Yes, sir.
This formula is clear, all of you. F is equal to QE or Q into V by D. Now, from this formula, can I say F is equal to charge? Now, what is the question? It is electron. So, it is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 into V. Is V given in the question? Yes, 1000 upon D. D is given as 2 millimeter. 2 millimeter is 2 into 10 power minus 3 meter. This much is clear? Now, F equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Can I write it as 16 into 10 power minus 20? Into 1000, can I write it as 10 power 3 divided by 2 into 10 power minus 3. Therefore, now, let me continue. Therefore, F is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16. Therefore, 8 into 10 power minus 20 into 10 power 3 into 10 power 3. 10 power minus 3, if I take it on top, it will become 10 power 3 again. Therefore, F is equal to 8 into 10 power minus 20 into 10 power 6. 10 power 3, 10 power 3 is 10 power 6. Therefore, F is equal to 8 into 10 power minus 14 Newton. Therefore, answer will be B. Understood, everyone now? Our answer will be B. Start with 24. Theory question actually. Quickly give me the answer for 24. Stop. I'll just be back, okay? What the answer? 24th. Two metal spheres of radii R1 and R2 are charged to the same potential. If they are same potential, they will be charged to the same ratio as well. Therefore, answer is B. R1 is to R2. Therefore, R1 and R2 are charged to the same potential. The ratio of charges also will be the same. When this question comes in different forms, you should not even waste 10 seconds. Give me this answer. Usually answer is equal. So you should look for equal answers, not square, not square root, direct proportion. Okay. 25th one, again, you have to solve it, but give me the answer. It's direct, but you have to solve it. 25th, start. Guys, solve it. Give me 1 minute. Okay, got the answer. Should I do it? Let me know. 25th one.
Got it.
Got it. Others, confirm.
Yes, sir.
Answer will be C. Getting it? 25th.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, Siddesh, I will show. Okay. I'll quickly solve it. 25th one. Electric charges of, okay. So people who have done it, please help me with the calculation if you have done it. Electric charges of plus 10 microcoulomb, plus 5 microcoulomb, minus 3 microcoulomb, and plus 8 microcoulomb are placed at the corners of a square of side root 2 meter, of side root 2 meter. The potential at the center of the square is. Do you remember we have done a similar problem where we had to find actually the work done from infinity, where we found the potential at the center of a square. But in this case, it is not 4 times into 1. Can I say all are different? Now tell me if this is A if this is B, if this is C, and if this is D, this is O. Now tell me the distance from each, from the center. Tell me, what is the distance like AO? What is
One.
AO?
Half of 2.
Can I say the distance will be 1? Just check. 2 by 2. Now, can I say the potential at the center, the total potential will be potential due to point A plus potential due to point B plus potential due to point C plus potential due to point D. Therefore, potential due to point A, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. What is the general formula for potential? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, Q by R, correct? Q by R, FEWV. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q. First one is 10 micro by R. By R, can I say is 1? Plus, can I say 5 micro by 1? Plus, minus 3 micro by 1 plus 8 micro by 1. Now, can you get the answer, all of you? Micro can
Yeah.
come out. Then you just have to add the charges inside and tell me what is the answer you're getting. You can directly add the charges and add QNet because the distance is same. Then you can do QNet to save time. That is correct. Should I proceed or can you get the answer? Siddesh.
Sir, got it.
Okay. 26th. Start all of you. 26th. We have done the similar one. Do you agree? Electric potential at C due to equilateral triangle A and B. That was electric field we had done. So you have to take the resultant. In potential, you don't need to do the angle bit. 26C Malhar. Correct. 26. Others. Tell me if you understand this. Rudra correct, Sharvari correct. Therefore, potential at C is potential at A plus potential at B, the contribution. Or can I say it is 2 into potential at A only contribution? Answer Sumitra correct, Aniket correct, Devansh correct, Sharvari correct, Siddhant correct. Very good. They just correct. Answer is C. Tell me, are you getting that answer? Answer is C. Are you getting
Yes.
that? Twenty-seven. Start. Theory question. Sumitra, correct. Yash, correct. Malhar, Devansh, correct. Beautiful. I got the answer, yes. Sharvari, Ria, correct. The electrons are equally spaced and fixed around the circle of radius r relative to equal to 0 to infinity. Electrostatic potential V and the electric field at the center. I told you electric field at the center will always be 0, but potential will always be a constant. Field will always be 0, but potential will always be a constant. Therefore, E will be 0. Because of that, option A and option D are out. Because they have said E is not equal to 0. Just check. Because of that, option A and option D are out. We are left with option B and option C, where E is equal to 0. But I told you potential will never be 0. Potential will be constant throughout from the center to the surface. Therefore, option B will be the right answer. Answer will be B for question number 27. Getting it? Okay. 28, take it as your homework. How many homeworks are done?
4 including 28.
How many?
4 including
5.
5.
5.
Okay.
5 are
Okay.
done.
20,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay. 29. Start. 29. Start. The displacement of a charge Q in the electric field E and R. Therefore, work done you have to find out in question number 29. Therefore, work done is equal to QV, or can I say work done is equal to Q into V. V is equal to E into R. Can I say work? Look at the screen. Can I say it is E into R? If you look at the options, Q is kept as it is. Just check. In all the options, Q is kept as it is. Therefore, Q, I'll keep it as it is. Now I have to do E dot R. That means E into R. So tell me, if I multiply I component, that will become E1A plus E2B. K into 0 will be 0. Therefore, I get the answer as A. Just check, answer is A. Tell me, are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
K component won't be multiplied because dot product, it will be 0. If there is no K component on the other side, dot product will be 0. Okay, start. 30. Getting the answer 30. What is the answer? B. Just check. Are you getting it? Direct substitution. Sharply correct. Tell me if I should do it or can we go to the next? Next. Okay. 30 answer is B. 31 is your homework. 31 is your homework. 32, leave it. 33. Actually important for NEET also. Very common question in NEET. 33rd one. It's a direct formula equation. Start. Question number 33. (31) is homework. 33rd one you have to do. An electron of mass m and charge E. So you know it is accelerated, means you will have kinetic energy half mv square is equal to, what is the other formula for energy? EV. Correct. Just equating two formulae for energy. From here we will have to get final speed, that means final velocity. Start. Don't cancel this V and V. One is potential V, one is velocity. Okay. What is this? Kinetic energy. What is this? Energy of electron, EV. Semiconductors also we use the same logic, EV, electron volt. From here, what is V equal to? Tell me. Answer will be C. And many times this formula directly comes in some other question. You have to use this formula and substitute. They'll give you the numericals also for this. That is why if you remember this formula for velocity also, it is fine in terms of potential. Okay.
Sir, why you
Answers. Yes, someone was saying something.
why you took EV to create it?
I cannot hear you.
Sir, EV क्यों लिया?
EV is the energy in a potential field. For example, if you look at the question, it is accelerated through a potential difference in vacuum. Therefore, energy where there's potential difference is EV. Why did I take EV? There is an electron in a field of potential. Therefore, the energy will be EV. And why did I take half mv square? Because it is accelerated. And why did I equate? Because of law of conservation of energy. Did you get your answer?
Yes.
34th one, oral question, or you can solve it, up to you, but we have done a similar question. Start. 34th. The radius of the soap bubble is doubled. That means potential will become half. We just did one formula, V is inversely proportional to R some time back. Therefore, if the potential was 16, now the new potential will become 8. Therefore, answer will be C. Understood? Therefore, answer will be C. Next question. Now, please listen to me. Question number 35. Okay, listen to me carefully. They are saying what is the dimension of half epsilon naught E square. Now this quantity is nothing but energy density. I'm telling you, whenever this quantity comes, half epsilon naught E square, actually this, you will learn it in your 12th standard electrostatics also. This term is actually energy density, and the primitive formula for energy density is energy upon volume. Therefore, in other words, they are asking us, what is the dimension of energy upon volume? Energy density is energy upon volume. Now, if I ask you, what is the dimension of energy upon volume? Give me the answer. Look at the options, get the dimensions. You should know what is energy. You should know what is volume. What is energy? Kg meter square per second square. What is energy? Kg meter square per second square, and volume is meter cube. Based on that, give me the answer for 35. Give me the answer for 35. Devansh, correct. Very good. Energy is kg meter square per second square and volume is meter cube. Yes. Answer is C. Getting it? Answer is C. Okay. Next, we will do 3 to 4 more and then we'll stop. Okay, 3 to 4 more and then we'll stop. And we'll do quick ones now. Quick ones in the sense where you get the answers very quickly. 37, start. So 37th one, listen to this. A hollow conducting sphere of radius r has a charge q on its surface. What is the potential within the sphere? Now I told you potential always remains constant from the surface till the center, does not matter what the distance is. Therefore, what is the potential on the surface? Potential on the surface will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q by r, correct? That's the formula. Now let it be r equal to r by 3, r by 4, r by 5, whatever. Answer will be the same, constant from the surface to the center. Therefore, can I say option C will be the answer? That is the formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. Again, a theory question asked in a different way. Therefore, answer for question number 37 is C. Now start with question number 41. Start with question number 41.
So for 37th question, I use the logic like from all the options, only option C has capital R.
But what in the exam, if it comes all similar, then we'll have to know the logic. Over here, it's correct. With that logic also, that is the only option which is right. That is right.
Okay, sir.
Start. I got 2 answers already. Both are right. Very good. I got answers from Malhar and Devansh. Malhar and Devansh, Aniket, Rudra, Sharvari, consistently giving the right answers. Very good. Rahul, Rudra, Sumitra also good. Sharvari, Peras, Savi also very good. Of late, you have started answering very well, Savi. Aniket, correct. Shayan also good. Very good. Sumitra. Yes, check your answer once. Aniket, correct. Siddhant, correct. Rudra, correct. Very good. Minus PE cos theta is the formula for dipole. When it will be minimum and this will be 0. Okay? And this will not be there. Means the whole thing will be 1. That means it should be minus PE. When is cos theta equal to 1? When theta is equal to 0. That is the answer. Therefore, answer will be C, 0. Because this will be minimum value. Minus PE cos theta. Got it? 42 take it as homework. 41 answer is C.
Sir, for
42 take.
minimum value.
Someone was saying something?
Sir, why didn't we took 0 all over 0?
Because what is the formula for work done or potential? Work done or potential for a dipole is minus PE cos theta. Okay, this is the formula. Now, when it will be minimum, what is the minimum value of minus PE cos theta? The minimum value of minus PE cos theta is minus PE. That is the minimum. Maximum will be plus PE and 0 will be 0. So from minus PE cos theta, if I want minus PE, what should be the value for theta? That means if I want minus PE from minus PE cos theta, can I say cos theta whole thing should be equal to 1? And for cos theta should be equal to 1, can I say theta has to be 0? That is why we took 0. Got it? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Take it as your homework. Turn the page. Third one, can I say the answer is on the screen already? Just check.
Yes.
Third one, answer is on the screen already. Read the question. What will be the option? Tell me. We just discussed this formula right now.
Option D.
Make a note. Option D. I just discussed this formula right now in the previous question. Here they are asking us what will be the potential energy of the dipole position. (44) not necessary, 45 not necessary. Done. I have to do Van der Graaf generator, what I told in the last class. Tell me how many of you have seen some video of Van der Graaf generator or seen something about Van der Graaf? Like last class I told you to do it. Have you got a chance? I think you had an exam yesterday only, right? Siddesh, okay. Others, have you got a chance to see?
No,
No, not the Mr. Bean. Okay, I'll do one thing. I will share a link of YouTube on your group. Just once, see it. Don't study it, just see it. In my next class, I will start with Van der Graaf and I will start with JEE exercises. So I hope today's class, it was a pure solving class. I wanted to be a pure solving class. And 7 or 8 of you have consistently given me the right answers and consistently you have solved. So I think the logic is clear. Formula is clear. This kind of problems, you should be able to get it very well. Okay. You will see JEE problems also similar, just one more step extra. Otherwise, it is the same. That is why I did these problems today. So that next class, when we do JEE problems from the module itself, you'll understand what is the connect. Okay. Any doubt today? Let me know. Secondly, all the homeworks that I've given in Electrostatics 2 and 1, I'll keep a doubt solving once this is over. Okay. I'll finish this and then we can discuss. Okay, so keep general. I just see it, and in your module also Van der Graaf generator is there. Try to read it. Don't do with the intention of studying. It is a apparatus which is very, very famous in the medical field and in the engineering field. It is one of the wonders of electronics. See many of it. You might not know it is called Van der Graaf generator. Many movies have it, especially in the Marvel universe. So just read it and we will continue in the next class. So we will stop over here. So thank you everyone. Your next class is The next class is on Friday evening. So I'll see you on Friday.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Hi,
Bye,
sir. Thank
students.
you.
Bye, sir.
Sir,
Thank you, sir.
thank you.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.